Alright, welcome back to this episode. This is a vlog concluding the first week of August. Today is Friday and today was really super hot. Anyways, straight away we shall jump into it. Today was NFP. So straight away we all know we mark our 7 a.m. level. So we mark that time up to 8:30 and also mark 10. So those are what we call 90-minute cycles. There is always a change in delivery of price. There's a change in the way price is delivered in those times. So as you can see, 7 to 8:30, which is 90 minutes, there's an accumulation. Exactly 8:30, price shot to the upside. You would call it a manipulation, whatever you'd want to call it at that stage. Me, I would just say it's no longer an accumulation. It's now a trend. They're developing a certain trend. So they left behind a fair value gap. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. This one right here, caused by the NFP data. So that happened, boom, and then we had a pullback to the FVG at 8:30. Price started doing what? Pushing to the upside, and then started doing all this bongo right here. So as you can see, at 7 accumulated or was range bound, then moved to the upside, sloped down, and after 10, price started an uptrend. Ish. But it is really choppy. So today we did get uh okay, our setups were not that solid, man. Yeah, the setups were not that solid. So I took a buy here. Let me put the execution marks. Why am I over talking? So being a Friday, I hate it when the market closes on you, man. But it is what it is. So at 8:30, no, at 9 actually, because the volume had already come in at 8:30. So I expected 9:30 to give me a continuation to the upside until this level. So Muna 8:30 come 9 comes in at this price right here. Price comes in right there. That is the 9:30. 9:30 open. So the 9:30 opened right there, and I entered at this count right here. So I waited for the 9:30 count to close above this midpoint of this fair gap. So I assumed that the fact that it had closed above the midpoint, we're gonna have a run up to this high. So initially I was targeting this high. This was my draw on liquidity. And I feel like we're gonna hit this during the close buy side. This is buy side liquidity. It's gonna be taken. It should be taken, bro. It's just that we're caught off guard, boss. Yeah, though we also took the highest percentage of the position off. So as buy side liquidity, that was my draw on liquidity. I wanted to take price to that high. So we got in right there. As price was retracing downwards. I entered about 1.8% of the account. Or was it units? What percentage? I don't recall. So yeah, 1.8 units. And besides taking off, I took off one. The moment we started approaching that high, and another one as price was starting to, come back down into this favor gap. Then price did this, boss. I was like, hey, come on now. But then it started leaving these bodies. There, the wicks, the bodies weren't going below the midpoint. So I decided to take one off and just chill the rest. And yeah, we got closed out right there. Stop loss hit. After 10, actually at 10 exactly. No, we got stopped out at 956. So when it broke down, then my anticipation was okay, fine, you broke down. I wanted to take it to the Asian lows. I think I forced trades today. Must have just forced trades today. But yeah, we still ended the week green though. So it is what it is. So I wanted to take it to this low. Probably partials here, partials there. This partial was made. No, it was this partial which was made. This one here. I had taken off something right there. Going back to the 1 minute. So at exactly 10, price came back, tapped this boy, and as it was coming down to close again, I entered. So I entered 1.9, put a buy limit to take partials off this low, 0.7 off, and the rest was chopped out. Yeah, that was sick. Yeah, but it is what it is, man. Yeah, that's it for today. We ended the week green. Let me just show you guys. This is a paper trade, by the way. This is paper trading. Practice. Yeah, so now this is when we began. When did we begin? Third. Where's the 3rd of August? All my days. This is July, 3rd August. 3rd August begins here. We began from here. Took trades on 3rd, on 4th, 5th. We didn't trade on Thursday. Yeah, a lot of greens, a lot of greens, a lot of greens, a lot of greens. The many positions that the many blues are just the partials that was taken off. Yeah, but then disregarding the price the data before, which is about like how much? Let's just say it's 3k. The account was 103k, and in 1 week we managed to make over 10k, 9k. Yeah, so basically that's it. In 1 week, managed to make over 9k. Bruh, I'm not forgiving these accounts, but anyway, it's just a matter of locking in, guys. Kale, we shall maybe also vlog, or maybe we are definitely going to vlog next week. Have to vlog all the data, bro. Yeah, how did I feel when I was taking these trades? I felt confident, bro. I was like, yo, price has not closed below this guy, so it's a sure. So I let it run, and I will always let it run because that's what the rule. That's the rule. That's what the rule is, bro. But anyway, I think since it's an NFP day, bro, I guess. Anyway, it is what it is, bro. I don't know if I had the wrong draw on liquidity because this is like an accumulation manipulation distribution down to this relatively equal load. I think I had the wrong draw on liquidity. Yeah, I must have had the wrong draw. Yeah. Anyway, uh it's been emotional. Thank you guys for catching up with me. Till Monday. Have a blessed weekend.